Hey everyone, it's Double Moms. In today's episode, we're diving into MEIP, which had surged strongly mid-session in a clean technical setup. And if you haven't already subscribed, smash that subscribe button. Be sure to turn on your notifications and drop a like if you're all about these momentum plays. Want real-time movers, news, and our custom scanners for 4 days at just $1.99. The link is in the description. Get all of those movers and those custom scanners. To get that for 4 days at $1.99, just click that link. MEI Pharma Inc. MEIP is a clinical stage pharmaceutical company focusing on the development of various therapies for the treatment of cancer. Now, if we're looking at the stock performance for MEIP, the current price is around $5.86, but it had made a gain of over 20 to 30% intraday today. The volume traded was about 40 million shares, indicating significant interest. It ran over 150% so far today, and the float is around 5 million. Now, the news of the day with this stock is that GSR led a $100 million private placement into NASDAQ-listed MEI Pharma to launch first institutional Litecoin treasury strategy alongside Charlie Lee. They announced an investment strategic partnership with MEI Pharma, in which it'll serve as both a strategic advisor and a digital asset treasury manager. Now, MEI Pharma announced it has signed agreements for a private investment in public equity deal worth about $100 million. It'll sell about 29.2 million shares or pre-funded warrants at $3.42 a piece, but the proceeds will be used to buy Litecoin. And it'll be planned to hold that as its main treasury reserve asset. That announcement was made this morning. Now, as far as the chart technicals here, MEIP had a major gap up spike at the market open, followed by a sharp pullback. The stock surged rapidly from around the $5.20 range to a high of well over $11 here, but this move was quickly rejected. After topping out, it formed lower highs here and faded under the VWAP, a classic exhaustion pattern. Now, the high that we had today was over $11.50 very early. The VWAP was at 731, acted as a ceiling post-morning spike. The current price, about $5.88 approximately, hovering just under the 9 EMA here at 589. The 9 EMA right now is currently flat, down sloping. The support zone is probably around 575.80, resistance around $6.30 to $6.50. Now, the volume surged massively during the morning breakout, signaling a strong initial interest, but since fading below the VWAP here, it's dropped significantly, indicating a loss of momentum, maybe a cooling interest as well. There was a bearish VWAP rejection, flatlined volume, lower highs, and fading EMAs overall for this here pattern. So it's a bearish consolidation happening right now. So the trade is out of play as far as I can see, unless volume picks up or VWAP is reclaimed. I would think that for me, it would take about holding around to over $5.70, or it risks a breakdown again to the sub $5 zones. I'm going to be watching for a reclaim and base above the VWAP, for sure, around $7.30, with volume to confirm any bounce or a second leg. Remember, folks, we are not stock or financial advisors. This is definitely not professional advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only, so always do your own due diligence. That's all for our update on MEIP. If this breakdown helped you, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow traders. Stay tuned for more midday momentum reviews. Until next time, it's Double Moms. I'll see all of you on the flip side.